Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Salem Crescent in St. Anne is this turnkey ready property, ideal for the discerning owner who likes easy access to services. Great for an extended family, with the main building being 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and an annex being a self-contained flat. Property can be used as an income earner, close to schools, clinics, supermarkets, restaurants, beaches, and the golf course. The land area of this house is approximately 8,828 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 240,000 or Jamaican $36.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.